Hey guys, welcome back with the next video. I would like to share you stunning wallpaper from the iPhone 13 or 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max, and you can apply on any iPhone. This wallpaper allow you to see in the inside of the iPhone 13. So like you can see from the wallpaper itself, and it offer you many different color. So all you have to do, just go ahead and go into Safari, and then make sure you go into this link which I already provided in my video description, and then all you have to do, just scroll down a bit and you're gonna find this one. So we have series 1, and it offer you many different style. So let me go ahead and try one. So just go ahead and select on it, and then it will redirect you into another link which you can save it into your camera roll, and then you can set it on your iPhone home screen or your iPhone lock screen. It is very simple, so it may take a few seconds. And now after it is finished downloading, all you have to do is just hold on, give it a little bit of pressure, and then you're gonna see this button. So make sure you save it into your camera roll, and then you should be able to set it on your iPhone lock screen. Just go ahead and set it. And now let me set it on my lock screen real quick. So adjust it a little bit and set on both. And now take a look on my lock screen. As you can see, we got a new wallpaper. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.